Welcome back traders to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll be going over some of the setups I have for you guys, starting off with USDJPY. But before I jump into it, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel and to leave a like and comment on this video, as it would tremendously help me grow my channel. Now USDJPY, as you guys can see on the lower time frames, we are in an uptrend, clearly seen by price just simply pushing higher. Now when we've identified an overall trend, we have to look for market structure, and what I like to do is I like to just go on the line chart and identify the swing lows and the swing highs in the market. So starting off at the bottom right here, we have our first impulsive move, and then after our impulsive move, we have our retracement, followed by our second impulsive move towards the upside, followed by our second retracement. So obviously I'll be looking for another higher high to occur to follow the overall bullish market structure and the overall trend. So now that we've have our bias and we've identified market structure, we're only going to be looking for buys. I see that we also have this level of resistance support that's being respected quite nicely right now. As you guys can see, we had a first rejection right here with a strong wick, and then rejection with the bearish engulfing. We had multiple wick rejections here as well, and then we came down. Once we broke through, we came down, and then we're acting as a strong level of support. So what I'll be looking for right now is price to just come into the support level once again, look for that rejection, and then I'll be looking for a buy position on this pair, on this setup. And our target is going to be, our first target at least, is going to be right over here, with our stop loss just below right here, which would give us a 1 to 4.5 risk reward ratio. Now another confluence we can add on to this trade is our Fibonacci retracement. So if we were to just look at our swing low and up to our swing high, so we're just simply measuring this impulsive move, you can see that the 61.80% perfectly lines up with our level of resistance slash support. So once price comes into this level of resistance, this level of support, has a rejection, I'll be looking for a potential buy opportunity back towards the upside, which comes in line with our fib retracement, 61.80% as well. So this right here could be a pretty good intraday position for the Telegram channel. Speaking of the Telegram channel, last week we had a nice 10% gain as AUDUSD and GBPUSD. We had some nice wins. However, we did have some losses on EURCAD and EURCAD, with USDCAD and GBPUSD coming in at break even. So a 10% gain for the week. So if you guys would like to see similar trades and content and updates on these setups, just simply join my Telegram, and I'll be doing that daily for you guys. All right, so the first setup, USDJPY, I'll be looking for buy opportunities if price is able to reject off of this level. Now the second setup I want to share with you guys is GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD, we have a bearish market structure, and last week we formed a new lower low, and then right here we had a momentum switch in the market, with price aggressively pushing back towards the upside into our level of resistance, where we had a bearish engulfing followed by a bearish shooting star. So this shows me that there are a lot of sellers on top of this level of resistance, not wanting price to break above this level of key interest right here, which is this zone. So my bearish bias is going to remain until we actually have a strong bullish closure above this level. Until then, I'm only looking for sell opportunities. Now for GBPJPY, I would like to see a price come into this level once again, and then I'll be looking for that sell opportunity back towards the downside. However, if that does not occur, I will then be looking for this mini support level to be broken, then retest, and then the continuation back towards the downside. Either way, I'm prepared to take a trade on GBPUSD. Now this right here will give us a pretty good risk reward ratio, as well as we would be looking for a nice risk reward of around 1 to 4 or 1 to 4.5. We can even make this 1 to 5, and we would still have a reasonable stop loss on this trade. So depending on what price action and how it develops, we could have a very good trade on GBPUSD as well. Now the last setup I want to go over with you guys is EURCAD. Now EURCAD, overall we're just moving sideways. There's no clear directional bias on this. We have a key level of resistance at the top right here and a key level of support at the bottom right here, which price happens to be respecting. So on the 4-hour time frame, I see that price actually came into this level, had a rejection once again, formed a bearish engulfing, and then we could see some bearish market structure forming, as this could be considered as an impulsive move, retracement, and now we are in the process of creating our second impulsive move towards the downside. So what I'll be looking for to enter this position is a break below this level of support, which, as you guys can see, is a pretty strong level of support. So a break below this level of support, a retest, and then a continuation back towards our daily key level, daily key support level. So this right here would give us a 1 to 3.5 risk reward ratio, again being a pretty good, decent trade for this week. So these are the 3 setups I have. I have other setups on my watch list, which I will be sharing in my Telegram as the week progresses. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys for the next video.